Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the measure of reciprocal ratios in trigonometry, that is cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta from sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic, reciprocal ratios. These reciprocal ratios are called cosecant theta, secant theta and tan theta. The basic ratios are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. From basic ratio we are going to find the reciprocal ratios. We define three basic trigonometric ratios, namely sin, cos and tangent. The reciprocal of these are useful often during the calculation. So we define them as follows, right? So this is a sin theta, cos theta is the basic ratio of the trigonometry. This reciprocal ratio can be obtained from this basic ratio. These reciprocal ratios are very useful during the calculation, so that we are calculating the reciprocal ratio also. Now we will see how to calculate the reciprocal ratio from the basic ratios. So this is a basic trigonometric ratio, then reciprocal and short form and the formula, right? The basic ratio trigonometry, first one is sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, right? What is the reciprocal? Cosecant theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. It is in a short form, it is called as cosecant. Cosecant theta. Cosecant is the normal name. Cosecant is the short form. That is just opposite of this. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse divided by opposite. That's why it's called a reciprocal ratio, right? Sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse. Its reciprocal is cosecant theta. Simply it is called cosecant theta. That ratio is hypotenuse divided by opposite side, right? The next one is cos theta. Cos theta we know that adjacent side by hypotenuse. That reciprocal is secant theta. Shortly it is named as secant theta. That is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Here adjacent by hypotenuse, where hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, right? The third one is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. For that the reciprocal is cot theta. Shortly it is called cot theta. Cot and theta, right? That ratio is adjacent side by opposite side, right? So tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. That reciprocal is cot theta, that is adjacent side by opposite side, right? So from the basic ratio we can easily calculate the reciprocal ratio also. For them also the formula is available. Now we'll see the relation between this basic ratio and the reciprocal ratios. See that cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Otherwise sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta, right? So this is the relation. Both are reciprocal. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, or tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, right? So these are all right. Sin theta is the basic, reciprocal is cosecant theta. Cos theta is basic, reciprocal is secant theta. Tan theta is basic, reciprocal is cot theta, right? So we can find that sin theta into cosecant theta. We can multiply both. What happened? Sin theta written as it is. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So sin theta got cancelled. It is 1. So that sin theta into cosecant theta is, the value is 1. Because both are reciprocal, right? Similarly, cos theta into secant theta. Cos theta is written as it is. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So cos theta got cancelled. That is equal to 1. That is cos theta into secant theta equal to 1, right? Both are reciprocal, so that we are getting 1. Similarly, tan theta into cot theta equal to, tan theta is written as it is. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Tan theta got cancelled. It is equal to 1. That is tan theta into cot theta equal to, the value is 1, right? So in this video we discuss the reciprocal ratio in the trigonometry. The basic ratio is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. From that we calculated the reciprocal ratios, cosecant theta, secant theta and tan theta. Right? The secant theta, the reciprocal is cosecant theta. Cos theta, the reciprocal is secant theta. Tan theta, the reciprocal is cot theta. From that we got the relation also. Sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.